And very warm welcome to the SIT Open House for the EP program, and thank you very much for your interest. So myself, Akshay Rathod, I am a program leader in EPE in SIT, and Dr. Khalid, program director of EPE in Newcastle University. So first thing, what distinguishes SIT compared to other universities? Okay, the other universities in town in Singapore or overseas, they offer basically traditional degree programs, right? For example, bachelor in electrical engineering, bachelor in electronics, bachelor in computer, etc. And when it comes to specialized degree program, they are at master's level, right? Masters in power engineering, masters in power electronics, masters in machine drives, etc. So that distinguishes us that our degree programs are focused. Okay, we offer a specialized degree. Okay, that is bachelor in electrical power engineering. So once you decide that okay, you want to make your career in power sector, like grid related, power related, transportation, etc. So this is the program for you. Okay, and this is institution of applied learning. Okay, compared to other universities, they offer you traditional courses. Okay, but our courses are basically advanced high level courses that other university offers basically in certifications or at higher degrees. Okay, not at bachelor's level. So those we offer basically in degree program, and that everything is covered within 2 year 8 months. Okay, so you finish earlier than other universities because we have a trimester system rather than semester system. Okay, 180 credits, but the modules, the courses we offer are basically specialized that makes SIT a university of applied learning. Okay. Yeah, so these courses that we have designed and that we update every year, those are industry focused. So SIT has, SIT and Newcastle based degree program, we have basically industry advisory committee known as IAC. So year by year, we have 2 meetings with them every year. And during the meeting, we get their feedback that what is the job scope in future, in which directions they are going to hire students in future. Okay, and they update us that okay, they need solar engineers, they need power engineering practitioner, they need maintenance engineer, okay, or what else. Okay, accordingly they want us basically that we should train our engineers in that direction. Okay, so accordingly we update our courses so that we fulfill the requirement of job scope in Singapore. Okay, so these are completely industry focused curriculum that we offer. And SIT is going to house multi-energy microgrid. Okay, that we will discuss also in few minutes. And a living lab where students can work themselves as well as on industry project and do self-learning even. Okay, participate in some projects as well as do self-learning, because this microgrid is going to offer you flexibility and facility to do various kinds of experimentations. The campus is a smart campus to facilitate applied learning that I will show in the next slides. Okay, so here, so what in last slide we discussed, we can see here that there are couple of buildings. Okay, you can see that is housing solar panels. Okay, of a different capacities. Okay, so you might have heard about microgrid, but if we see further variations, it starts with nanogrid. Okay, the small power capacity is nanogrid. When you comes to higher power level, then it is microgrid, and then further high is milligrid, and then the grid, basically the central one. So here we have a different capacities of solar panels, energy storage system, etc. Okay, as well as a DC bus. Okay, DC bus, because the energy import happens basically at a DC level, not at AC. Okay, so all these three are basically connected together. Okay, all three are connected together, where you can do energy import or energy trading related experimentation or R&D basically. Okay, energy trading between the microgrids or energy trading between the buildings. Okay, we are going to have several electric vehicle charging stations of a different scale: slow charger, medium speed charger, and basically fast chargers. Okay, so many students who basically do their IWSP in LTA or in other EV charging related companies, or they do their capstone in electric vehicle charging related project. Okay, they can do this kind of physical experimentation or simulation in our microgrid laboratory. Many students who try to work upon say energy trading or wants to do the simulation related to building integrated system or energy optimization, energy management, basically digital twins. Okay, they can do basically here. All the details are there. So we can see that solar PV capacity is going to be at megawatt level. Okay, so it's quite large capacity. solar thermal load is going to be up to 54 kilowatt. Okay. Energy storage system, total 600 kWh, kilowatt hour energy each. So very close to 3 megawatt hour capacity. Okay, energy storage. Around 80 electric vehicle chargers at different level, as I said, different speed. Okay. A smart sensor network, over 10,000 sensors across the campus to make it smart. You can visualize basically on a through a data acquisition system. You can visualize basically on a digital wall what's happening in the campus. Okay, how much energy you are consuming. Okay, how much energy is coming from our solar panel in the morning, in the afternoon, or later afternoon. Okay, how much energy storage is being used. What is happening with the charging station. Okay, everything we can visualize there, and whatever you experiment, basically you will be able to see the output on this digital wall through data acquisition system. Moving further, that why EPE, which is a popular program right now in Singapore. This is a joint degree offered between the two universities. Okay, Newcastle University, you can see 140 years old, and it was one of the top university across the globe in electrical power, especially electrical machines and power electronics. Okay, applied research, University of Applied Research. Okay, SIT has 46 degree program, all are applied learning based. Okay, not like other universities. And as I was saying that from by 2020 it was more than 7,000, and right now we are already 9,700 actually. We offer honors degree. Okay, in power domain there are different level, distinction, honors with distinction, etc. There are different levels for honors degree also, and the key part is that our courses are basically related to educate you, basically to offer you advanced knowledge, not the conventional knowledge. In first year itself we offer you the basics, the mathematics, the electricity and magnetism, okay, and basic circuit theory, etc. And once you are basically in year 2 itself, then everything is basically on power and energy, renewable integration, smart grid, transportation, electrification, EV charging, energy storage, etc. Okay, yeah. So these are advanced courses that we offer in our EPE, not available in other degree programs. Basically, that offers bachelor in electrical engineering, right? And then, as I was mentioning, that this practical charging station and practical microgrid adds to that. So whatever we offer in theory, you do experimentation. You have the facility to do experimentation as an applied learning. Okay, you learn and practice. Okay, yeah, learn and practice. So you can see that SP funded our microgrid, I think $14 or $15 million for that. And these are our industry partners basically, okay, working with that. And this is, you see, SIT's position, HDB, JTC, you can see that first year it's core, okay. After that you have electives as well related to transportation and microgrids, okay. For 8 months you spent in industry. So still, as I said, this is trimester system. You finish your degree program in 2 year 8 months. For 8 months you are with the industry, okay. 8 months you are in the industry. Generally we get so many applications from the industry for IWSP, because in the past our students have done very well, okay. So there is a demand for our students to I mean, there is a demand for the industries to get our students. Recently MPA also asked us to get, Rolls-Royce also basically posting. So you are with us in 8 months. And if you see here Capstone, so here in Capstone also, if your industry offers you that you can continue on our project and you can do your Capstone also here in the industry. So that way you can spend complete 1 year at the industry, okay. You just come back for electives, 2 electives, okay. But Capstone you can still do at the industry, finishing 1 year, and probably you get the job offer also. So in the past some of our students were successful. I mean, in the past almost 1/3 students did their Capstone project in their IWSP industry, and some of the students were successful in getting the job offer also. And some students basically got from other industry also, and they basically rejected the offer from their IWSP industry. So there are cases like that, okay. Yeah, so this is core of our degree program as well. One thing probably I missed here, that here in trimester 3 you will go for OIP. Dr. Khalid will explain basically later on, overseas immersion program, where you go basically physically to Newcastle University, UK. We started a minor in environmental sustainability. Okay, so this is exclusively for students who started in 2023 August, okay, and that continues. Okay, so let us see what is that. So this is basically educating students about sustainability, because sustainability issues are in all sectors, not just the power sector. Sustainability is a broad topic. Water sustainability, energy sustainability, even waste management, they all are a part of sustainability. But in power sector and in product development, in industry innovation, this plays a major role basically. Okay, yeah. So what is happening that right now it may appear complex, but to make it simpler, if you choose, okay, so this is your choice. You want to do it, you don't want to do it. Okay, so if you want to choose minor in sustainability, you choose three power electives, you compromise on the two, and you choose two sustainability electives. Well, that's what it is in the program. So one is the core sustainability module, the course in first year, okay, which is fundamentals. Later on in second year and third year, out of 5 electives, 3 electives comes from power and 2 electives come from sustainability. Sustainability measurements, sustainability management, those 2 modules. Okay, and you do one project that is related to sustainability. Okay, that could be in power sector, but that should have a sustainability component. It's not that you are doing something related to trees, okay, or something related to waste or water, something, no. It can be industry innovation, it can be still product development, it can be still related to power sector, but sustainability component. Okay, say energy efficiency improvement, that is sustainability. How to reduce carbon footprint, that is sustainability. Okay, so you can still choose electrical power, but the project should have sustainability component. Okay, yeah.
Our program is accredited by EAB, which means that after you graduate from our 3-year program, and if you take the +1, the master's, you can actually then apply for professional engineer status, and then later on, if you want, you can also apply for licensed electrical worker license, and then obviously then that will of course affect your salary. And as Prof. Akshay mentioned before, we also have the overseas immersion program, where you will be spending roughly 3 weeks in the UK, and you will be taking some modules in the UK delivered by the staff in the UK, and you will also be visiting some of the let's say power generation facilities in the UK, for example the wind farm, the PV farm, assembly of electrical vehicles, and so on. Okay, so this usually starts in the beginning of July and ends at the end of July. And if I just go back to the curriculum over here, as Prof. Akshay mentioned, it's going to be in this period here in your trimester 3. So your trimester 3 basically is going to be the first 8 weeks will be taught lessons here in Singapore, and then when you finish those modules, so the modules will be compressed a little bit so that we can accommodate the time for the OIP trip. Okay, and the OIP will be towards the end of the trimester. In addition to the OIP program, we also have this thing we call the Combined Academic Staff for Teaching, which is basically we, as Prof. Akshay mentioned, Newcastle University is actually one of the leaders in the power engineering sector. So we have a lot of experts in the UK in the several fields within power engineering, in electrical machines, in power electronics, in EVs, in storage, etc. So what we do is we invite some of those experts to Singapore to deliver 1 or 2 lectures in several of the modules that we deliver here. Okay, so for example, tomorrow we will have one of those experts, Professor Volker Pickert. He will be visiting, he's already in Singapore. He delivered a module this week, a power electronics module, to our SIT students, and then he will be also giving you kind of like a short lecture tomorrow in the open house over here. Okay, so this is one of the things we also have, and we call this the CAST system. Okay.